So, you want to add a subdomain to AWeber? Maybe you're setting up a custom domain for email tracking or landing pages, and you just need a straightforward guide. In this video, I'll quickly walk you through the process while also pointing out a few things about AWeber that you should know before committing long term. Stick around because at the end, I'll share an exclusive and extended free trial for a better alternative, so you can test everything without wasting money. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your AWeber account. Head over to Domains and AMP, Addresses under your account settings. You'll see an option to add a domain. This is where you connect your custom subdomain. Now, AWeber doesn't provide domain hosting, so you'll need to update your name record with your domain registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare. Next, go to your DNS settings in your domain provider. Add a name record where the host is your subdomain, like email, yourdomain.com, and the value points to AWeber's provided domain, usually something like hosted.aweber.com. Once you save, it can take up to 24 hours for the changes to propagate. Now, back in AWeber, hit verify and refresh after a while. If everything is set correctly, your subdomain should be linked, and you can start using it for branded emails and landing pages. But here's where AWeber has some limitations. AWeber is great for simple email marketing, but if you're looking for deeper automation, better deliverability rates, or more control over branding, there are better options out there. One big downside? AWeber's customization options are not as flexible as some competitors. The landing pages are decent but lack advanced design features, and their automation system, while improved, still feels a bit outdated compared to newer platforms. If you're serious about optimizing email marketing with a fully customizable subdomain setup, you might want to check out a more advanced tool. I've linked an exclusive extended free trial in the description for a top-rated alternative that gives you better automation, stronger deliverability, and full domain control. And if you're still comparing options, I also included some better alternatives with free trials so you can test them out for your specific needs. Click the link below to access the best deal available only to our viewers.